Hey, it's Big Jeff with another unboxing. We're talking about Audiopipe. These just got released and there's some cool things about it.
You can see it before you buy it.
First big thing is the price point. These are definitely budget friendly, and we're going to go over some changes they made from the APXL to this APXL. You have a 1300.1, a 1400.4, and a 2200.4. But first, remember to like, comment, and share this video. I am Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. We do these unboxings to let you see it before you buy it. And we appreciate when you leave us some comments and share this out. If you're on YouTube, hit that bell so anytime we do a new video, which we'll be doing more and more, it will pop up and you'll be aware of it. And also on this video, you can donate to breast cancer awareness. We feel strongly about that. $2, $5, or whatever you can. Let's get into this. First thing I want to open up is this 1300.1. Now, I was told that some of the things they changed was a larger heat sink to dissipate heat, a bigger fan to also dissipate heat. These are still rated at 16 volts, and they still have all the same classifications: IASCA, CA, SEMA, MEA, all those. So you're not just getting a cheaper amp, you're getting a more efficient amp for less price. The 1300.1, which is 1300 watts RMS Class D, is $149. Yes, $149. Now, they also did fusing on the amp. So you get extra APT fuses. We're going to pop this baby out, and you also get a bass knob. They did do a metal, take that back. It is still plastic frame, but it is a metal potentiometer. Now, for some of you that don't use the bass knobs because you have your own, or you're doing a DSP, most people don't, they did cut a little bit of cost. There is no Tiffany style RCA, okay? Again, we're talking about a $150 amplifier that still puts out 1300 watts at 1 ohm. But they did go to actual Allen wrench screw downs for 4-gauge inputs. Now check this out, 4-gauge input for the power and ground, and you also get a 4-gauge input, or output for the speaker terminal. Really cool. You also have 3 ATC fuses, 35 each. Okay, so you will get your 1300 watts out of it. The amp is not that much heavy. They said it was compared to the APXL line, but it's really not. Let's take a look over here. I'm gonna take the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
All right, let's turn on this. So the weight on the 1300.1 is about 6 pounds and 3 ounces. Hopefully you can see that. All right, let's keep the Big Jeff cam on so I can show you how this thing looks. You have, again, the cut cost. We have regular style RCAs, but you still have a protect light on it. You're going to be using a telephone cord for the bass knob or volume control. And then you have your 4-gauge input and outputs with your ATC fusing on there. Let's look at the actual size of this amp. Okay, so length, you're right about 13 inches, and then add another ½ inch with the fuses and the RCA. So 13.5 for mounting. You are 7.5, and height is only 2 inches. 1300 watts RMS for $149. The part number is APXL-1300.1. This is a monoblock, and for $150 to get 1300 true watts, that's an incredible price. So now we have some 1400 watt 4-channel and a 2200 watt 4-channel. So you can have a nice bass amp. And 1300 watts is pretty good in the budget size when most of your woofers in the price ranges would be about 500 watts RMS. 1300 watts will do that, even a 750 or 800 watt. You can pair this up with 2 of the eye candies, which we talk about all the time, 800 watt RMS. 2 of those, no problem on this amp. Cool thing is that they made this amp to run cooler, last longer. Also 16 volts. If you're running your car that high, you don't get too many budget amps that run 16 volts for sure. Okay, let's look at some of the specs on the 4-channel. 4-channel, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Input level, 0.2 volts to 6 volts, which is really cool. PHD is 0.5%, and signal ratio is 80 dB. Now, the 4 channels look exactly like and pretty much the same size as the monoblock, and then you have the option here for the 2 channel. Let's go ahead and open up the 1400.4. You do have a high to low level plug for input. And looking on here, you have 4 channel in, and then you have out. This also has bass boost, low pass, and high pass filter. So the 4 channels can run, say you did the 2200 watt, which is only $116. Yes, I said again, $116. You can run a sub and some mids and highs off of that. Also, the fan is actually underneath, which is kind of cool. So what I recommend is gapping the amplifier up a little bit. There's multiple ways of doing that, so the amp then can dissipate heat a lot better. And with the larger heat sink here, it all works together. So let's open this thing up. This here is the 1400.4, which is only $99.99 on BigJeffAudio.com. APXL-1400.4. I know I'm all over the place, but it blows my mind that you can get budget amps that have real RMS ratings for $99, $116, and $149. You could basically run mids and highs and a sub amp for under 300 bucks. That's awesome. You have the step down for your 4 channel. This one does have the blade style fuses for the power and ground, but also because it's the 4 channel and it only has 2 25 amp APCs, where this one is to produce more power and it's a class D, a little bit different. Okay, same thing on the side here. You have high pass, low pass, and full range. You have a gain control, high pass, 60 hertz to 1.2 kilohertz. And then on the other side, you have 50 hertz to 250 kilohertz for the low pass, and the high pass is 60 hertz to 1.2 kilohertz with a gain control. And again, yes, regular RCAs, but this actually has 2 screws mounting that bracket in there. Audiopipe has definitely been made with quality, and now in that budget range. Again, $149 for a 1300 watt amp, and then a big 4 channel for $116. So you have less than $300. You could do a whole system. That is budget with some serious technology on larger fans, heat sinks, just a good solid amp. Check this out, Audiopipe APXL 1400.4, 2200.4, and the 1300.1 Class D on BigJeffAudio.com. Check them out. Here they are right here. We've already sold some right away, so I think people are seeing that budget price, but getting a name brand with some good technology. Okay, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Please hit that like button, leave a comment, share this out. Follow us if you're seeing this on Facebook, and always subscribe. Till the next unboxing, we'll see you soon.